just caught a break in the weather. Doing more T-post. Gotta finish this up. It started pouring rain on us and we only got the fence to there, so finish fencing this, come back up. Now I gotta run to the store and buy a gate for out here. It's gonna go right here, center line of this terrace. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a mound there and a hill rise right there. So fence gonna go right here, or a gate's gonna go right here. Should look pretty good. And I haven't decided if I was gonna fence out that way or not, but you go from that post to that post, that post to that post over there, and then there's a valley over there, and it goes out into that valley and then back up over that way across from the house. So I'm not really sure yet what I'm doing with that. Might just leave it alone for now. Well, it would appear I found me a soft spot. That was my like third swing. Boy, this thing just went. Whoa! That's crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. That might have been a foolish move. Woo! That's a flat tire waiting to happen if I can't get that out. Well, I've drove quite a bit of T-post, and I use this to drive them, and I use this sledgehammer to start them. But I got this from a yard sale. It's all taped up. Well, I just split the neck on it, so that ain't right. Oh yeah. That's no good. I've had this thing for quite some time. They've had a couple nails. Come on. Won't focus. But there's like 6 nails in this thing. That was an exaggeration, there's 4. But she had a good run. I got her like this and it's finally just met its day. Got some fence put up here. Got a hole going.
Almost 3 foot.
Yeah, 3 foot. 8 foot post. I'm gonna put it in the ground, and last night I went and bought this gate. And then gotta finish driving in those T-posts and run this fence, and I'll be done back here for now. I gotta buy a man gate and put it on the far side over there, but we'll get to it. We got that post in the ground. We got the fence hung on it. We're about to dig this hole, put that post in the ground, and finish running our fence. And we got a lot done yesterday. I got almost all the back done yesterday. And then me and Jonathan just finished up this whole side piece right here. Put this post in the ground, and then about to dig this next hole. Be quick and easy. We got this here all fenced up and about to get the dogs out here and see how they like it. But it ain't too shabby. Went with a 16-foot gate, maybe 14, I don't remember. 14-foot gate, yeah, it's 14. But tie it off, it's pretty good. So, not bad. I still might run more up that way, but I haven't decided yet. So, See how the dogs like it. There them dogs are, enjoying that new fenced in area, sniffing it up. Let me grab this stick right here. Give it a throw for these dogs. Loose. Oh, let me find a better stick. Hang on. So the dogs are liking it out here. You smelling some good stuff over there, mamas? What is that? What the heck is that? Let's see what they're... Come on, sit. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, stop. Moose went the wrong way. He went after a little piece that broke off my hand. Dude. Drop it. Whoa. So fast. So fast. Alright, so there's a little bit of wind out here, but got this fence up, got the gate on, dogs are out here, they're loving it. They don't know what to do out here, they're just acting a fool, but it looks good. I'm glad for what it came out with, and I think I got a ton of leftover fence because I planned on going a lot further, but I ended up going right here just because it looks symmetrical with the other fence I already have. Now it's a little windy, but I just got some new tires put on. I'm actually not a huge fan of buying tires used, but this old boy lived down the road from me. He had these tires he got put on in January, and he gave me the receipts and everything, and he put 2,000 miles on it, and then his wife didn't like the wheels, so he bought another set of wheels and tires, and I bought these for $100 less than what he paid for them, so that ain't bad. And I just got another spare to replace the old one, just because these are 33s and the other tires I had on here were 33s. That way if I ever have to put it on, I actually have a 33 to put on there. Well folks, it's a beautiful Saturday outside and got the Chevy pulled in. I started changing all the differential fluid and transfer case fluid, so now I guess I'll finish up with that. So I went and bought a pump here. That way I could pump the fluid into the transfer case, so that's actually kind of why I stopped. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that, the front diff while I'm there, because you gotta drop the skid plate for it. So I'll knock it all out, one swift go. Well, I know what I just said about a nice day, and look at us now. It's raining out there, but draining that front transfer case right now. Pulled the skid plate off. You can see I blew some dirt back there. Boy, it was chock full of mud. Well, dried up mud, so dirt. But draining that out, and then we'll go ahead and service it back up. So that's a drain port, and right up above it, right there. That one right there is the fill port, so we'll cap her off when it's done draining and fill it up. Just got the front diff serviced up. That's just overfill coming out. Oh, there she is. So when that's done pedaling, I'll go ahead and plug it off and clean up the outside of that diff housing and move on to the transfer case. So I got the transfer case draining right there. Filling her up. It's done dripping just about. I'm gonna put that front skid plate back on, and then I'll cap this off and service it up. So there I got that engine on the engine stand. Well folks, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I do apologize for the inconsistency of uploads, but I've been in the middle of just kind of putting up fence, standing around, waiting, trying to figure out something what's going on with the Model T. I've actually kind of changed all of my plans with the Model T, and I have big things coming, but I don't want to say nothing about it unless I end up changing my mind. A guy down the road, he offered me a pretty nice offer on buying that Model T, and I wheel and deal now. I'll be honest with you. I would love to have that thing and keep it and do something with it, but if he follows through with his end, it might leave the garage. So I'm still not set in stone on whether I want to keep it or not. As I wanted a hard top, or not hard top, but I wanted a sedan, not a coupe, and I ended up with a coupe. So, but if I can get rid of that and get a coupe, that'd be where it's at, and something more original that someone didn't jimmy rig everything up into it. So, but if I keep it, I'm gonna go a complete different route with it, and I've decided that, and I'll let y'all know on that one when I hear back from him if he's not gonna buy it or not. But I have a line on a big green egg that I'm probably going to be picking up this weekend or next week sometime. So stick around and you'll see some big green egg videos coming out here soon. I'm super excited about that. I've heard nothing but good things about them. I was going to buy one of those electric smokers, but I decided to get that big green egg because I kind of want to get a charcoal thing, because just the other night we were doing ribs. My buddy was cooking them on his smoker, electric one, and power cut off on us. And he couldn't finish smoking them, so we had to end up throwing them in the oven anyways. So kind of want to get big green egg, something that's only relied upon charcoal or wood, and you'll get to see me smoke some stuff, and I'll give you some good recipes on that.